Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best portable wheelchair ramps that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking for a reliable ramp to improve accessibility in your home or on the go, this video is for you. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Dummett Eisen Portable Wheelchair Ramp 3 feet. This ramp offers a solid 800-pound load capacity and comes in multiple lengths, ranging from 3 feet to 6 feet, giving you flexibility for different accessibility needs. Its anti-slip grit coat surface and rubber pads on the underside ensure safety and stability during use. One standout design feature is the built-in handle, cleverly tucked between the panels for easy transport without affecting functionality when unfolded. The ramp is constructed from high-quality, corrosion-resistant aluminum and features durable 304 stainless steel hinges. While it performs well for home steps, cars, and stairs, its unique oblique angle design ensures doors can open and close freely without interference, a thoughtful touch for practical use. However, at 17.46 pounds, it's slightly heavier than other models, which may impact portability for some users. While the Dummett Eisen ramp excels in durability and safety, its 4.2-star rating reveals some minor concerns, such as its heavier weight and limited customer feedback compared to competitors. This ramp is ideal for users who prioritize safety features and versatility, but don't mind a bit of extra heft. If you're looking for a reliable ramp for entryways, stairs, or vehicle access, this is a solid choice. At number 4, we have the TH-Doug 3-foot portable wheelchair ramp. This ramp strikes a balance between quality and portability, featuring a lightweight aluminum build and a sleek folding design. Weighing 15.61 pounds, it's easy to carry and store, and the upgraded handles are both comfortable and scratch-resistant. With a weight capacity of 800 pounds, it's suitable for wheelchairs, scooters, and walkers, making it a versatile option for home steps, curbs, and vehicles. The ramp's double non-skid design is particularly impressive. A black frosted layer on the surface prevents slipping even in wet conditions, while rubber anti-slip pads on the transition plates provide additional stability. Reflective strips on the sides enhance visibility in dark environments, while extended baffles prevent falls, ensuring safety during use. However, customer ratings of 4.3 stars highlight minor concerns, such as the ramp occasionally sinking during use, though it does rebound quickly. Overall, the TH-Doug 3-feet ramp is a reliable mid-tier option for users seeking a lightweight yet sturdy solution for everyday accessibility challenges. It's ideal for individuals who need a ramp for moderate elevation changes and value safety features like anti-slip coatings and reflective strips. Coming in at number 3 is the Facnuo Tool 2-feet portable wheelchair ramp. This compact ramp is perfect for smaller elevation changes between 2 to 6 inches, with a robust weight capacity of 800 pounds. Its non-slip textured aluminum surface ensures secure footing, while the extended guide rails and reflective strips add an extra layer of safety, especially in low-light situations. At just 11 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to carry. Thanks to the built-in handle, the ramp's stainless steel hinge construction prevents corrosion, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. However, the vertical sidewalls may occasionally interfere with door thresholds, so careful measurement is recommended before purchase. With a 4.4-star rating and a sleek folding design, the Facnuo Tool ramp stands out as a durable and highly portable option for scooters, wheelchairs, and walkers. This ramp is ideal for users seeking a compact solution for home doorways or small steps. Its lightweight design and sturdy construction make it a reliable choice for temporary or permanent accessibility needs. Just ensure the dimensions work well for your specific setup to avoid potential issues with thresholds. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the VNN Portable Wheelchair Ramp 4-foot. If you're dealing with larger elevation changes between 4 and 12 inches, this ramp is an excellent choice. It offers a 600-pound weight capacity and features a double non-skid aluminum surface for maximum traction, even in challenging conditions. The folding design and upgraded handle make it easy to transport, though at 23.8 pounds, it's one of the heavier ramps on this list. Safety is a top priority with the VNN ramp. Stainless steel hinges prevent rust and corrosion, while reflective warning stickers and side baffles help prevent accidental falls. Its transition plates ensure a smooth fit to the ground, making it ideal for doorways, garage steps, and vehicles. The ramp can even be fixed to wooden platforms using the included screws for added stability. With a 4.4-star rating and exceptional build quality, the VNN portable wheelchair ramp offers great value for users needing a sturdy, longer ramp. It's perfect for home or outdoor use, especially in situations requiring higher elevation adjustments. Just note the weight and size if portability is a priority for you. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Orford Portable Wheelchair Ramp 2 feet. This ramp combines superior build quality with thoughtful design, making it a standout option for a variety of uses. With an 800-pound weight capacity, it accommodates wheelchairs, scooters, strollers, and more, handling elevation changes between 2 and 6 inches with ease. Its lightweight 10.92-pound construction and foldable design make it one of the most portable options on the market. The ramp features a non-skid painted surface and anti-slip pads for maximum grip, while its extended guide rails ensure a secure fit to the ground. Reflective strips and baffles enhance safety, particularly in low-light environments. The stainless steel hinges resist corrosion, ensuring long-term durability. Additionally, Orford's responsive customer service provides peace of mind, with a promise to address any concerns within 24 hours. With a 4.5-star rating and thousands of satisfied customers, the Orford ramp is a top-notch choice for home or outdoor use. It's perfect for users seeking a lightweight, durable ramp that doesn't compromise on safety or functionality. Whether you're navigating doorways, stairs, or curbs, this ramp will get the job done with confidence. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.